Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, we're going to install DataSpell on a Chromebook. So the first thing we need to do is enable the Linux development environment. To do that, I'm going to click on the launcher here and find my settings. Click on Settings, go to the left-hand side, go to Advanced, click on that, and this tab should expand and you'll see Developers. I'm going to click on that, and where I see Linux Development Environment, I'm going to click Turn On and then Next. It'll give me a username which is based off of my email, I believe. I'm going to keep that as is, and a recommended disk size which can be changed later. I'm going to keep that as is. I'm going to click Install, and that's going to take a few moments, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once the Linux development environment is installed, a terminal will pop up. I'm going to maximize this and increase the font size so you can see what I'm doing. I want to make sure everything is up to date, so I'm going to type sudo apt-get update and then 2 ampersands, which means and then sudo apt-get dist-upgrade. And I'm going to use a -y flag so I don't have to answer yes to the additional space. I'm going to hit enter. This will take a few moments, so I'll come on back once that's done. After enabling the Linux development environment, we want to download DataSpell. So I'm going to open up a browser here and search for DataSpell and hit enter. The first link that comes up should be from JetBrains. I'm going to click on that. And I am going to go here to downloads. This page, by the way, is jetbrains.com/dataspell. I'm going to click download. And I want to download the Linux version, so I'm going to click on that. It's the .tar.gc file. I'm going to click download. Once DataSpell is downloaded, we want to go and open up our downloads folder. And I'm going to right click on DataSpell and cut. And then I'm going to go to my Linux files and right click and paste. Okay, once that's moved over, I'm going to open up a terminal and list out my storage. And I see I have DataSpell. I want to unzip this tar.gz file and move it to the opt directory. I can do that with sudo tar-xvf, start to type DataSpell and hit tab to autocomplete, a -c and a /opt, and hit enter. Okay, once that's unzipped in the opt directory, to start DataSpell, I'm going to type /opt, and then start to type DataSpell, hit tab to autocomplete, and /bin, and start to type DataSpell, and the end part there should be dataspell.sh. I'm going to hit enter. Okay, the JetBrains user agreement is going to come up. I'll confirm by checking this box and click continue. Okay, at this point, DataSpell will come up. You'll be prompted to log into your JetBrains account to activate your license, start a free 30-day trial, or buy a license at this point. After that, you can go and configure your default environment, and you've got DataSpell on your Chromebook. If you like this video, like and subscribe.